Good morning, everyone. Today is November 4th, 2020. Hurricane Eta still going strong as a storm at 50 miles per hour. That's around 80 kilometers per hour, 45 knots, heading west at 7 miles per hour. It will be around 10 or 11 kilometers per hour. It's heading west slowly and still pouring rain and wind on a large part of Central America, mostly according to the National Hurricane Center. The winds are decreasing but continues to be a threat, as it may cause landslides, floodings across Central America. Most of the effects are felt in Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Honduras, El Salvador, and even Guatemala. So the area it's covering is really big, and as I mentioned yesterday, it's expected to bounce back to the Caribbean at some point during Friday or Saturday. Let's hope that doesn't happen, because that will mean not only further damage to the region, but also a huge impact to other regions like Cuba, Jamaica, and other islands in the Caribbean. So let's hope for the best, and the hurricane and storm stops, fades while it continues through the land.